stupid.
Here, I got an idea. Here.
You want it? Get it.
Chili. What the heck? I can't even walk.
Oh my god, Jazzy!
That is hilarious.
That ain't nice, Sam.
I thought it was pretty funny.
It is. She's like, hello. Oh my god. Just leave it on. No, leave it on there. Let's see how long it goes with it on her head.
She's gonna run into log.
She knows where she's going. Look, she's looking backwards. Look, she's going right around them.
Oh, nope. Crash into one.
She's backing out. I love it.
That was hilarious.
Dang it! What the heck, you stupid cat?
Quit.
Put on his butt.
There she goes again.
Man, if we put it on her butt, she'll walk forwards.
Okay, let's leave it off of her head. Jazzy girl.